Afternoon guys, I've come up on this wonderful June afternoon to do a little video of a new listing, the beautiful Villa Clematis. It's in a very established pretty community in Los Higurales, so about 12-11 minutes drive maximum from Albox centre and equally from Arboleas. It's an Arboleas community. This is the frontage, beautiful stone clad walls, wrought iron decorative panels and then privacy screening. Look at that stunning backdrop. So you've got single gate access into a wonderful front garden area, which I'll film in a minute, and double gate as well into a nice off-street parking area. So just coming in through the pedestrian gate there into the front garden. Now you've got a wonderful pathway leading up into the back garden and pool area. And then this gorgeous pergola with an awning cover. And it's just totally tranquil and very, very quiet out here. You can see there's a utility corridor at the back of the villa. Look, you've got wrought iron gates across there as well, just making it more secure. So if you've got dogs and stuff, you've also got a nice little dog run. It's the owners are currently, they just had the pool refurbished and everything else, but they're kind of moving stuff out, so there's a little bit of stuff collected in the garden that wouldn't normally be there, so we can overlook that. Then you can see another privacy wall going across here into the back garden. Absolutely clean as a whistle. There are neighbours, but it's just a very, very quiet, peaceful community, and privacy's key for a lot of these guys. This is the off-street parking area. Into the back garden. The door to my right here goes into the kitchen, which we'll have a look at when we pop inside. Lovely stone dining table. The pool is literally just been refurbished, and I don't know if you can see from this, it's pristine, but they've actually gone for a green tile and it looks absolutely stunning. I hope that's coming across in the video. Very unusual. And just look at their amazing backdrop. Literally of an evening here, you've got a fantastic starry canopy overhead. You'll see there's a little fly screen conservatory, if you like, to the right, and there's a telescope positioned in there to take advantage of that. And I'm loving this fantastic corner seating area. So a little pan round now from the other side of the garden. That's the fly screen enclosure. That comes off of the living room, and you can see you've got door access coming off of the garden. This entrance here straight into the living room, and then back to this one that takes you into the kitchen. So lots of nice access points in and out of the garden. Panning along now from this side. So this is a wonderfully shaded covered porch, comes off of the lounge, and as I say, that's been fly screen enclosed, so it's just a perfect spot for coming out, having a meal on those summer afternoons or summer evenings. There's a nice couch sitting in there, and then running up this side of the house. This time of the day, it's just a wonderful shaded corridor, but at different times again, this will be bathed in sunshine. And as I say, running along the entire rear of the property is a very good sized utility corridor. There's a metal store shed and everything in there. I'm not going to film along there because it's just, you know, a utility area. We're calling this one Villa Clematis. You know, we like our flower names, and there's not many we haven't used, but I actually like Clematis. So let's have a wander on into the interior. The pool's an 8x4. As you can see, you've got a wonderfully positioned, nice size sun terrace coming all the way. So ample room for sunbathing, entertaining. And all I can hear at the moment, I'm wandering around and there's nothing but birdsong. So entering the villa from poolside, I've opted for the door that brings us straight into the main living room. A beautifully large central room, archway access off there on my right back into the kitchen, which we'll have a look at in a minute. The door in front there connects to the master bedroom, Very nice design this, because you've got two other bedrooms, but they're right at the other end of the lounge. That's the little entrance hallway there, lobby, and that connects to both of those. The double doors you see there take you into the fly screen enclosed covered porch. Beautifully cool and calm room. Corner mounted wood burning fire. You've got dual ceiling fans you can see there. There's also a brand new, newly installed air conditioning unit, and also a fantastic new pellet burner. So in terms of keeping warm, keeping cool, all bases have been covered. You can see you've got a lovely little lovebird there in a cage. Perhaps we should have called it Villa Lovebird. Some canaries over here. So coming out now quickly just to the kitchen, I'll give you a little pan around, but as you can see, open. It gives a feeling of nice really being open plan, but fantastic colour scheme, very comfortable. So the kitchen's big enough, you know, there's a nice dining table there, granite worktops. As you can see, integral appliances, washing machine, dishwasher, and door access straight out poolside. So coming off the right hand side of the lounge, you enter this very, very good sized master bedroom. Again, ceiling fans. There's fly screens fitted throughout. There's air conditioning in all the key rooms and ceiling fans as well. And then panning around slowly in here. See the air conditioning unit up there. And then you've got door access into a very good size ensuite. Again, you do see this combination from time to time, but it's certainly not commonplace. You've got a full bath. To my right there, this is newly installed with an overhead shower. And then coming round to the left behind the door, you've got a very good size shower unit as well, so a combination bathroom. Back out to the living area. But before I do the other two double bedrooms, I'll pop out to the covered porch, but I'll do a pan round for you of the living room this end. It's a wonderfully cool kind of, it's you know, it's bright and it's spacious, but it's a very cool haven, much welcomed in these kind of very warm, balmy summer days. So immediately off of the lounge there, you've got the covered porch. This has all been fly screened in. Wonderful seating here. I mean, come out with a nice glass of plonk, read a book, watch the stars, and check that out. The views don't come much better than that, I'll be honest. Back on into the living room. Noisy bird. At least no cement mixer or dogs today. So coming on now into the two guest bedrooms, which I said is a very nice design because they're at the opposite end of the villa to the master. So you've got a central bathroom there in front of your shower room. Nicely put together. And then coming into one of the first double bedrooms. As I say, you have to excuse it because the owners are in the middle of kind of packing things up and really getting ready for a move. So there's bits and bobs in places where they wouldn't normally be, but bank of wardrobes up there. Yeah, the fridge doesn't normally sit there, but it's been housed there to do a bit of a change around. Never have enough fridges, especially in the summer. I think that's quite handy, actually. I think thinking of that. Fridge right by the side of the bed. And then the second guest bedroom on this side. So 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Top spec. I mean, there's a security system. The pool, as I say, has just been refurbished. You've got the pellet burner, you've got the wood burning fire, good air conditioning units. So this is Villa Clematis. It's going on at a very reasonable 189,950 euros. An absolutely cracking house for that sort of money. Ideal as a first you know, full-time residents or perfectly safe lock up and leave. Second home. And you know, you'll see I've done a drive down video from these two hamlets, which you can see video 2 on this property will show you that. But you've got the fantastic newly under new ownership bar Limaria and tapas just down the road. Amazing tapas menu, cocktail bar around the pool, and all this just on the doorstep. And as I say, you're 11 minutes maximum from the centre of Albox and the supermarket. Same distance from Arboleas. And just a lovely road down through. So Villa Clematis, if you're interested, give us a shout as usual, kalidahomes@hotmail.com. Drop us a message and we'll get you up to do a viewing as quick as possible. And I'll just leave you with one last view of that fantastic backdrop.